Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. Question number 31 says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that rhymes with the word given. So we are using this instruction to answer question number 31 to 35. So we are talking of rhyme, that is rhyming word in this content. And so we are talking of rhyme. So when we talk of rhyme means is synonymous to sameness. Sameness. That is how this one relate to this, or how this word is rhyme with the other word. And the given word here is pronounced as noun. 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 There are two ways to rhyme. One could be similar sound production. Then the second one could be the position of the stress, the position of the stress. So noun is transcribed as noun, and it belongs to adverbial word, that is adverb. Then can also be considered under conjunction as well. The option A, we have the word which we pronounce as A, not O. I've told us that it's not like O in English pronunciation. Is A. Sure. A. Vowel number 12. The option B, we have a word pronounced as Le. Sure 2. The O is represented by sure sound. Then option C is pronounced as Se. The E is represented by sure sound. One will wonder why sure takes the position of most silent English letters in transcription. The option D is pronounced as Sel. So the option E is pronounced as Del. So if you look critically, the transcription of the word noun is rhyme with the transcription of the word thou. Therefore option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.